What's up, Queen Gang? For the ones that didn't know, I am a mom of 4, and today is October the 25th, 2023, and me and my daughter decided to go and check this food truck out. I thought it was, like, really cool. It had cool little fruit cups and all that good stuff, and yes, we spotted the Takis. You know my daughter want these Takis. So over here, I have no idea what this is. Is that corn? So yeah, we got the Takis, but then I had peeped this other food truck and I had to go see what that was about because something was smelling good. Anywho, we had to wait in the car until mine was done. And voila, don't that look good?
What's this in there?
What?
This.
Let's do the Takis first. What's inside here? So this is the Taki. All they called it was Taki prepared. Hold it. I ain't gonna be able to hear with this AC. Mayonnaise, cheese, cabbage,
And Takis. I don't know what else.
and I think that's it. It's some of that green stuff.
Avocado.
All right, why you got a fork?
But she gave me the fork.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get to that.
Let me see. Just grab it like that. It's nasty. If it's nasty, I ain't tasting it.
I never thought eating tacos with mayonnaise would be good.
That's ghetto.
Kind of good, ain't it?
She probably just mixed a whole bunch of things around and then starting to eat me. That's what I found out. It's good. Ooh. I want to get some of this on there.
That's pretty good. So this is, I don't know. It's
A drink.
yeah.
Nice.
Google what this is. And this. Why do I keep drinking it? All right, taste the red stuff. No, just taste the middle. It might be gummies. Why is it spicy?
Look at that. Good.
Really? I know that's good. It's mango. But no, taste the red. The string.
Hold on, I'm about to get. It's like a whole glob. Mom. Right.
It's nasty?
It tastes like that stuff. Nah, you trip. You just ate that thing.
Those are Twizzlers.
That fruit part.
That's nasty. I don't want that.
I don't want to eat them. Don't get to me. You ate the part with the red. Refreshing.
I eat these. Yes.
Them doctors good. Get your drink. Get your drink, Mom. Takis good. I made some of that myself. But y'all go get y'all one of these chicken
No,
salads.
no. Do not go get y'all one of them. Go.
Takis good.
With avocado and mayonnaise and cabbage.
See, that's ghetto. I knew she just went up there and somebody had to just go in there and just start putting a whole bunch of things in Takis just to discover that. Promise you. It was probably her son that she got in there.
No. They know y'all like Takis, so if you put anything on Takis, these kids will eat it.
Look at this. Shame. Mom, give me. Drink your drink.
No, you drink that.
Now this is that chicken salad for him. Need some ranch. Ooh. It looked good from the picture.
It's good. I see why it's empty over there. Huh? Like next time, just give me plain mangoes.
Tahini on the top.
She act like she had to explain to us what was in the Takis. She should have explained to us what was in this drink. We should go get a taco. Don't smell good over here. Let's go. She gonna see us. Oh, she knows that, so let's just throw it in there. Throw it in there and call it done.
Look, it needs to be all the way in the bottom. Good
Shrimp?
fries and stuff. They got quesadillas.
Huh? Thank you.
So pineapple too, right?
Get in the car.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Yes.
Little cups, big cups.
Everything, huh? What she said it was?
It
Pineapple.
was pineapple.
After that drink, because that drink was not it at all. So everything seems to be. What is this?
It's probably avocado.
Avocado is like that? That ain't avocado.
Oh, that's the thing that she said she was gonna put on the side.
It smell like
Oh,
grass.
that junk stank. It smells like
It
somebody
kinda-
mowing the lawn.
Yeah, like grass. It
Right.
kind of smells
You
good.
gotta take this away. I'm thirsty. I'm about to drink my drink.
All right, what is this? That's the 2 tacos.
That's our tacos?
Yeah. They go out.
See, that look good. I think you're supposed to pour one of them on there because that's a little dry.
Yeah, I think one of these. I don't know what that stuff
We're going
is.
to put that on there because, no, that thing, that's the sauce for the tacos.
She didn't give us no napkins. We gotta do it the getaway.
Y'all check out the fit for today. Got on these with this. I had on my purple jacket. Some Nikes purple. Hot too. Yeah, why is it like
That's
that?
not. Oh.
What is that? That's nasty.
It's hot.
Okay.
How I'm supposed to pour it on?
Y'all ready?
That's hot.
I don't like that bread. This.
That's not why they gave us the line.
What if I get this in my eyes?
Both I'm talking about both
I don't like the bread. The bread kind of giving too much. Oh, it's sour. I put all that.
I stick it to my throat. I know we supposed to eat with one bread.
Yeah. I wouldn't eat
These tacos is not like, oh my God, these are the best tacos. They just like normal tacos.
That's alright.
And I'm just hungry.
Lime though.
Put some of that green stuff on there.
I did. What
Good.
green stuff?
This green stuff.
Oh no. That's rabbit food.
I'm gonna put some.
What is that?
I think this go on top of the cabbage. Don't it make sense?
That's not, oh, yeah.
Grass and
That's not grass, Mom. That's grass.
smell it.
Do
Grass.
Do it, y'all.
That's grass.
The juicer.
I don't know what that is. I'm sorry.
Tacos okay to me. Because it's dry.
I don't like the bread.
That's what I just said. The bread kind of.
Yeah, the meat blessing.
That's the bread. It tastes like they just, I don't know, like they got bread from anywhere.
But then when you swallow the meat, it gets stuck. This is pineapple.
It's good, but I don't like how I like the texture of it.
It's good. Just need some sugar. I'm about to try.
All right, then put my drink down. It's my drink right now. The one that's leaning to the side. Hey,
Mmm.
is it nasty?
That's good.
It's nasty. You dipped it in there? You dipped it in there? I don't like white cheese.
This is good.
I'm full.
Are you done?
Ate that taco. This drink is kind of good, not gonna lie.
Yeah, pretty thirsty.
Ah.
A taco bread is not it.
But
y'all,
good.
we tried it. That's it. We tried it.
We still don't know what that is.
I'm not eating no
Thank you guys
damn
for watching. I
grass.
hope you enjoyed this video. Go
I ain't
ahead and
doing
hit that
any of that.
subscribe button, comment down
Taco
below, and
bread,
like this
nah.
video.